everyone, welcome to today's session. Myself Ashifa, Assistant Professor, Department of Optometry, Yenepoya School of Allied Health Science, Yenepoya deemed to be University. Today we will be going to discuss about binocular optical defects. So let's start with our specific learning objectives. By the end of the session, you will be able to define anisometropy and aniseikonia, classify the type of anisometropy and aniseikonia, understand the cause, diagnostic method and management option of anisometropy and aniseikonia. So in this picture we can able to see that in first picture both eyes image is clear, but in second picture one eye image is clear and second eye image is blur. So let's discuss the concept behind the binocular optical defects. Actually, binocular optical defects is a vision problem that arising from the both eyes are not working together effectively due to any optical difference between two eyes. In normal healthy binocular system, what happening is, if suppose I am looking on an object, my both eye are contributing equally and we get a clear single comfort image. But any mismatch either in a refractive error or any image sizes, this healthy binocular system will be disrupted. So here we will focusing on two type of binocular optical defects, that is anisometropia and aniseikonia. So let's move into the definition of anisometropia. Here let's break the term anisometropia. Isometropia means it is an equal refractive error. So add an isometropia means it is an unequal refractive power. So anisometropia definition is refers to a condition where the two eye have unequal refractive power. Small degree of anisometropia is quite common. It does not occur any symptoms, but a difference of one diopter in two eye cause 2% difference in the size of two retinal image. Brain can be tolerated up to 5% difference, which means in my one I have -1 diopter and other I have -3 diopter. The difference is 2. So retinal image will be 4%. So it can be tolerated. But if suppose this eye have -1 diopter and this eye has -4, the difference is 3 and the image says difference is 6%, so it can't be tolerated. So beyond the 5, brain can't be tolerated. So let's go through how much difference is significant. Up to 2.5 diopter difference is usually tolerated. 2.5 to 3 diopter difference may or may not be tolerated. More than 3 diopter may not be tolerated. Usually not tolerated more than 3 diopter. So let's move into the etiology of anisometropia. So anisometropia can be congenital or acquired. Congenital due to any unequal growth of the two eyeball, which means in my one eye has normal size and other eyeball is small. So there is an unequal growth of eyeball, maybe cause the anisometropia. And acquired maybe occur due to unilateral aphakia, which means absence of the crystalline lens in one eye, implantation of intraocular lens of incorrected power, ocular trauma, keratoplasty in one eye, and asymmetric age-related changes in the eyes. These all are the causes of anisometropia. Then let's move into the type of anisometropia. There are 6 types of anisometropia. First one is simple anisometropia. Simple anisometropia means my one eye has normal and other eye have myopic or hyperopic. Then compound anisometropia means both eye have power but either in myopic or hyperopic. For example, this eye have +1 and this eye have +4 diopter, or -1 or -4, like this. Then mixed anisometropia means my one eye is myopic and other eye have hyperopic power. Then moving to the astigmatic types: simple astigmatic anisometropia, compound astigmatic anisometropia, and mixed astigmatic anisometropia. So simple astigmatic anisometropia means my one eye, for example, my one eye is normal and other has astigmatic. Compound astigmatic anisometropia means both eye have unequal astigmatic power, either hyperopic or myopic. Then mixed astigmatic anisometropia means my one eye have hypometropic astigmatism and other is myopic astigmatic anisometropia. Next, moving into the status of binocular vision in anisometropia. A small degree of anisometropy is quite common. It does not occur any symptoms or no problem for that. But larger anisometropy, for example, in my one eye has +1 diopter and the other eye has +5 diopter. That time this +5 diopter eye we consider as a poor eye. So it is undergo as a anisometropic amblyoptic eye. Okay, that is happening in large anisometropic cases. In alternative vision means one eye used for distance and other eye used for near. So what all are the diagnostic method we used for anisometropic cases? First one is retinoscopy, second is Worthford dot test, Begolini striated lens test and Maddox rod test. These all are the diagnostic method. Then next you're moving into the treatment option. Treatment option based on the degree of anisometropia. So glasses is tolerated up to 4 diopter and contact lens is preferred in high anisometropic cases, and other treatment modalities are intraocular lens implantation and other is refractive corneal surgery. Next you're moving into the second type, that is aniseikonia. So aniseikonia is defined as it is a unequal size or shape or both. Earlier we discussed as anisometropy is a unequal refractive power, but here aniseikonia means it is a unequal in size, shape or both, and thus also 5% of aniseikonia well tolerated. Beyond that can't be tolerated. So what all are the etiology of aniseikonia? First one is optical aniseikonia, retinal aniseikonia and cortical aniseikonia. Optical aniseikonia means it may be occur inherent or acquired due to the high power of anisometropia. Then retinal aniseikonia means stretching or edema of the retina or displacement of the retinal element toward the nodal point of one eye. Then cortical aniseikonia means the image captured by retina is the same, but brain capture it as a unequal image. That is cortical aniseikonia related to brain. Next moving into the type of aniseikonia, asymmetric aniseikonia and asymmetric aniseikonia. Under the symmetric aniseikonia, spherical aniseikonia and cylindrical aniseikonia. Spherical aniseikonia means image may be uniform magnification or magnification in all meridian, but cylindrical aniseikonia means image is magnified or magnified only in one meridian. And under the asymmetrical aniseikonia, classified into prismatic, pinkish, parallel distortion and oblique distortion. Prismatic aniseikonia means image difference increases progressively in one direction, then pinkish image distortion increases progressively in both direction, and parallel distortion image distortion decreases progressively in both direction, and oblique distortion means size of the image is same but there is occur oblique distortion. Then what all are the clinical features? Up to 2 to 3% of image size difference can be tolerated, and meridional distortion, especially oblique, are less tolerated. Then what all are the symptoms of aniseikonia? First one is asthenopic symptoms, second is diplopia, and third is difficulty in depth perception. Moving into the treatment option, the optical aniseikonia can be corrected by using contact lens, better to correct the contact lens than the spectacle, as well as IOL implantation in unilateral aphakia, then refractive surgery. If suppose retinal aniseikonia, we can be treated underlying retinal pathology, and cortical aniseikonia cases it is a difficulty to treat. So let's summarize this topic. Anisometropia is a condition where both eye have unequal refractive power. Small difference are usually tolerated, but larger difference can be lead to visual discomfort and amblyopia. It can be congenital or acquired and is classified into simple, compound, mixed and various astigmatic types. Diagnosis is done through tests like retinoscopy, Worthford dot test, Maddox rod and Begolini test. Then management including glasses up to 4 diopter, contact lens is more better than the spectacle, and surgery option will be there. Then aniseikonia refers to unequal image size or shape perceived by each eye and is commonly associated with anisometropia. It can be optical, retinal or cortical in origin and cause symptoms like eye strain, double vision and poor depth perception. Then treatment option depending upon the causes, including optical correction and or managing underlying the conditions. So these all are my reference. Thank you.